Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. I'm continuing the series on rhythm guitar chord progression, and this will be rhythm guitar chord progression number 27. Be using the chords of G major, E minor 7, C add 9, D sus 4, and D major. If you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. I appreciate that very much. So let's get started. Okay, again, the chords I'll be using on this chord progression is G major, and I'll be placing my third finger on this B string here of the 3rd fret. And these two fingers will be planted. We'll keep these fingers planted on strings 1 and 2 on the 3rd fret. So we won't lift those up until we get to the D sustain. Okay, so G major, then E minor 7. You just move these two fingers over from G major to E minor 7, then C add 9, and then D sus 4. Then lift off your little finger there. That'll sustain to D major, okay? We'll go through those one more time. G major, E minor 7, C add 9, D sus 4, D major. Okay, this chord progression is 4/4 time. There's 4 beats per measure, and I'll be using this strumming pattern. It'll be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, in a moment I'll play the chord progression to guitar jam track number 27. So I'll play through this one time. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major, E minor 7, C add 9, D sus 4, D major, G. This. Okay, now let's play this rhythm chord progression using guitar jam track number 27A. Number 27A. Here we go. Okay, hopefully you enjoy playing rhythm through this chord progression, number 27. Feel free to continue playing this chord progression with guitar jam track number 27A without the guitar, or 27B if you want to hear my rhythm guitar as well. So 27A and 27B. If you like this video, be sure and give me the thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligations. It simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. You guys have a great day. God bless you.